In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in Microsoft Edge. First, we need to show the Favorites bar. This bar is crucial for easy access to your favorite websites. It allows you to organize your most visited pages neatly. To display the Favorites bar, you can quickly press the Control key, Shift key, and the B key at the same time. As you do this, you'll notice a change on your screen. If the bar was hidden, it will now appear just below the address bar. This step is essential because having the Favorites bar visible simplifies navigation and enhances your browsing experience. You can enjoy quicker access to your favorite sites right at your fingertips. Once the Favorites bar is showing, you can move on to the next step. Look for an empty area on the Favorites bar. This is usually a clear space next to any existing favorites you may have. Now right-click in that empty area. A context menu will pop up on your screen. This menu provides several options related to managing your favorites. By right-clicking here, you open up the ability to customize your favorites folder structure. This step is important because it helps you organize your favorites efficiently and keeps your bookmarks tidy. From the context menu that appears, select the option that says Add Folder. This action is straightforward, but it is a key step in organizing your favorites. Once you click on Add Folder, a new dialog box will appear requesting you to name your new folder. Naming your folder allows you to categorize your favorites in a way that makes sense to you. This organization is vital as it helps you locate websites faster when you need them. You can think of it like creating a filing system on your computer, but for your favorite web pages. Now, you will need to give your folder a name. This is where your creativity comes in. Choose a name that reflects the content you plan to store in this folder. For example, if you want to save all your shopping sites, you might name the folder Shopping. This name will appear on the Favorites bar, making it easy for you to identify. Once you have entered the name, you can click OK or hit Enter. This step ensures your folder is created and ready for use, providing a smooth way to access your favorites later on. After you have named your folder and clicked OK, look at your Favorites bar again. You should see the new folder you just created. It will appear alongside any other favorites you may have. This visual confirmation shows that the folder has been added successfully. You can now start adding bookmarks to this folder. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you can group similar sites together and avoid clutter. Next, you can begin adding websites to your new folder. To do this, simply navigate to a website you want to save. Once you are on that page, click the star icon located in the address bar. A menu will appear prompting you to save the page. Here you can select the folder you just created from the drop-down menu. This allows you to designate exactly where you want that bookmark to go. It streamlines your bookmarking process and keeps your favorites organized effortlessly. With that ready, you can see how easy it is to manage your favorites in Microsoft Edge. Creating folders helps you maintain a clean and efficient browsing experience. Remember, organization is key in digital spaces. It not only saves you time but also reduces frustration when searching for your favorite sites. Now that you know how to add a folder and save bookmarks, you can customize your favorites bar to fit your needs. This will enhance your browsing experience and keep your favorite sites accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy organizing your favorites.